welcome to Crafty Aims Workshop. It's been a very long time. But one of my last videos that I did was on this particular Diamond Art Club painting called Cozy Evening. And what I keep trying to do, so you all can see, is see the AB drills in the light. But for some reason, I just can't get the light into the camera. So I don't know if you can see how glittery. It's all there's white and pink AB diamonds that just glitter so much. But I just cannot seem to get that on this camera. So I apologize. But I have to say, it is completely finished. If you've been following me on Instagram, you will see the last like 20 drills that I placed on this. And it was such an exciting moment. I had music going and everything. I was so excited. It's taken me from September 19th of 2021 to September 21st of 2022 to take the time to do this painting. So over a year, just by a couple days, so a full year. Obviously, I did not work on this every day. Had I done that, I would have probably got it done in a month. Oh, maybe 2 months. But it would have been like 6 hours a day to get it done. At least for me. I'm not a quick diamond painter. So at one point I'm like, I am never doing a big diamond painting ever again. This one is a 37.8 inch by 27.6 inch, or if you want to go by centimeters, it's a 96 by 70 centimeter. And I've got it on a large canvas that I painted black. I left some of the canvas from the diamond painting and I painted it a blue color. I found these new paints at Hobby Lobby. At least I think they're new. It is the Intense Color and Excellent Coverage Pearlized Dark Blue. That's a PA29011. And I put that on there, and it definitely has a beautiful pearlized sheen to it. I don't think I can get that on here good enough so you can see. And then for the black, I just used a permanent black by Masters. These are both Masters Touch. The code is SA640. I believe this one I got on sale, but this one I'm pretty sure this is new because I don't remember seeing pearlized, but I could be wrong. I don't think this was on sale when I bought it. So it was a struggle to get this done, but I told myself I am not going to let my sister go another year without her diamond painting that I told her I would do for her birthday last January. Actually, I told her I would have it done for hopefully by Thanksgiving, but that did not work out. I could not get into this. I had other things going on that I would rather do. I just had everything. I had work going on. I had, I should say, new job going on. I had family stuff going on. I had other crafts that I wanted to work on. and and then Bible study, Bible scripture writing, still doing all that. I just did not make enough time to work on this. But I finally got it done, and I am so happy with it, and my sister is going to absolutely go crazy. I just know it. She loves Christmas, she loves winter time, and she is definitely gonna love this. But honestly, I don't think she realizes how big this thing is. So we will see. So just wanted to let you know I got it all done. Let me see. Did I have any problems with it? The only problems that I think I had were from making my own problems, and that is when you are diamond painting and you're putting down a diamond and you have an open space right here and your hand touches it, the skin from the oil from your skin is gonna get on that sticky part. So I'm sure there's a couple spaces on here where the diamonds weren't sticking as much, so I had to put some extra glue on it. And I usually use a Diamond Dots glue, or I would also recommend, if you don't have Diamond Dots, just use like a clear tacky glue, like Aleene's tacky glue. You could do that. What else? I put this on the canvas differently, and I really could kick myself for doing it the way I did it this time. I just hadn't done one in forever, so I did it wrong, but it still looks good. But it did take extra time to do this. So normally I would paint the back, I would paint the regular canvas first. I would separately paint the edge if I wanted to keep the edge. You don't have to do this. This is just what I like to do. I would cut it to the size that I want, and then I would paint that by itself. And then I would take it and I would glue it onto the canvas. Well, this time I did not do that. I was not thinking. I just wanted to hurry up and get this on the canvas, and without thinking, I had to paint it on the canvas, which makes it so much harder. So my advice to you, if you're going to do it this way, paint each individually and then paste it on there. If you need to do any touch-ups, you can do it then if you want to, but I definitely would recommend doing it that way rather than putting it down on there and then painting it, because I actually had to go back over it several times on this color. I didn't have to, I just did. First, I always do a black coat, because all diamond paintings will have writing from the symbols and things that you have. So after you cut it down, I always paint it with black paint, and then I'll go over it with the color I want. If you want like a white color, just white, I probably would just do gesso, a white gesso or a white paint, and then go from there. So I had to paint this, and then once that dried, and the next day I would take some washi tape and go over this after I had done this a few times. Go over this, and then I went back and painted this again. So I painted this, and then I realized, oh, I got paint all over this, let's redo it. So I had to paint. It was just horrible, okay? So again, paint this by itself right here, paint this by itself, then stick it together. Now you're probably asking, what did I use to stick it on there? I used the Elmer's Craft Bond multi-purpose spray adhesive. If you place it on there immediately, it's supposed to be a permanent bond. If you wait a little bit, it's a temporary bond. So with a piece this big, I kept screwing it up, I had to get my husband to help me, and finally got it on there. I still don't think it's on there straight, but it's on there good. I also, where I could, I put little tiny little sewing stitches. I put a stitch on each corner. I may have put one in the middle, I don't remember. But I did that just to, you know, give it a little bit of an extra hope that it will stay on there. I did not use any other glue that I'm aware of. I don't think I did. But it's on there. It's stuck so good. So I don't see it falling off anytime soon, and hopefully never, but we will see. I did seal the painting with, oh, I know what I sealed it with. I was trying out a couple different things on a different diamond painting that I had started, which you could see that on Instagram too. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm probably more on Instagram right now than I am on YouTube, obviously. I haven't been on, this is my first YouTube video, and probably since March, I think it is the last one that I did. But I was trying different things, and I decided to try the Mod Podge Dishwasher Safe Gloss. And I think that worked out really good. It didn't take away any of the shine. If it did, it's very little. I don't notice it. Another product I've used before, and I tried out on another diamond painting, and it works good as well, and that is the Liquitex Gloss Medium and Varnish. So I've done that. But I just decided I was going to try this Mod Podge, and I think I like it. I'm not having any sticky residue like I've had with the regular Mod Podge with paper products that I've used it on. So I hope that will work out. I like to seal it because, like I said before, sometimes I will touch the canvas while I'm painting, and it kind of makes the diamonds not want to stick. So I'll glue it, but you know, sometimes you miss some spaces. So to ensure that they don't come off, or hopefully they don't come off, I will put a sealant on top of it. Now I'm understanding that diamond painting, Diamond Art Club's paintings, the glue on the back of it, once you've stuck those diamonds down, supposedly the glue eventually, or the sticky part, will kind of bring the diamonds together so it has a more firm grip on it. But I still don't trust it as much. But you have to remember this, it could void your warranty for doing that if you do that. So just remember that. Just check it out, make sure. Because these, if you buy them yourself, I guess it's a lifetime warranty as long as you don't mess with it. So just so you have a heads up on that. Anything else I want to say? I don't think so. I just think when I had the lights out, when I was preparing it for my sister, I had the lights out and coming in, and just had a little bit of light shining in, and all of these little AB drills would just glow. So, I mean, I can't say glow, but they would just brighten up. They would glitter out, so you could see all the beautiful glitter on there. So I'm hoping when she gets it, it's going to do the same thing for her. She's going to just really love this. There's even some ABs right in there. So anyways, I just really love it. I hope you guys like this. If you have any questions, I haven't done YouTube in a long time, so if I forgot to mention something, please let me know. This one is called Cozy Evening. It's by Abraham Hunter. It's a square drill canvas, 2 ABs, 105,534 diamonds, and it took me a year here and there working on it, not every day, getting it done, and it is finally finished. So there you have it. I think I'm going to do another video for you all and just kind of give you an update of what's going on with me, but we will see. That's in the future. But I have lots to show you, and so please stay tuned for more videos coming your way.